Kerala Technical University differential calculus. Nth derivative of e raised to ax is equal to a raised to n into e raised to ax. Here we take the constant outside like ordinary differential calculus. A raised to n is a constant, it's taking outside, then a raised to n into e raised to ax. Nth derivative of e raised to ax is equal to a raised to n into e raised to ax. Remember one thing, in derivative of e raised to ax is equal to e raised to ax, a into e raised to ax itself. Here comes the nth power. Nth derivative of a raised to x is equal to log a the whole raised to n into a raised to x. Nth derivative of ax plus b the whole raised to m is equal to m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 into etc. up to m minus n plus 1 a raised to n into ax plus b the whole raised to m minus n. Once more, nth derivative of ax plus b the whole raised to m is equal to m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 into etc. up to m minus n plus 1 into a raised to n into ax plus b the whole raised to m minus n. Case 1, when m is a positive integer and m is equal to n, nth derivative of y is equal to a raised to n into nth factorial. When m is a positive integer and m is equal to n, nth derivative of y is equal to a raised to n into n factorial. Nth derivative of log of x plus b is equal to minus 1 the whole raised to n minus 1 into n minus 1 the whole factorial into a raised to n into ax plus b the whole raised to n. Once more, nth derivative of log of ax plus b is equal to minus 1 the whole raised to n minus 1 into n minus 1 the whole factorial into a raised to n divided by ax plus b the whole raised to n. Nth derivative of sine of ax plus b is equal to a raised to n into sine of ax plus b plus n pi by 2. Nth derivative of sine of ax plus b is equal to a raised to n into sine of ax plus b plus n pi by 2. Once more, nth derivative of sine of ax plus b is equal to a raised to n into sine of ax plus b plus n pi by 2. Nth derivative of cos of ax plus b is equal to a raised to n into cos of ax plus b plus n pi by 2. Nth derivative of e raised to ax into sine of bx plus c is equal to r raised to n into e raised to ax into sine of bx plus c plus n alpha, where r is equal to root of a square plus b square and alpha is equal to tan inverse b by a. Nth derivative of e raised to ax into sine of bx plus c is equal to r raised to n into e raised to ax into sine of bx plus c plus n alpha, where r is equal to root of a square plus b square and alpha is equal to tan inverse b by a, and alpha is equal to tan inverse b by a. Nth derivative of e raised to ax into cos of bx plus c is equal to r raised to n into e raised to ax into cos of bx plus c plus n alpha, where r is equal to root of a square plus b square and alpha is equal to tan inverse b by a. Type 1, nth derivative of rational algebraic functions f of x by g of x. Type 2, nth derivative of a simple power of a sine or cosine or product of sine or cosine. Sine or cosine or product of sine or cosine. Remember these two equations. These two equations are very much important. Sine cube x is equal to 3 by 4 sine x minus 1 by 4 sine 3x. Sine cube x is equal to 3 by 4 sine x minus 1 by 4 sine 3x. And if we study this equation, I will tell it later. Cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Here sin cube x is equal to 3 by 4 sin x minus 1 by 4 sin 3x. Cos cube x is equal to cos 3x plus 3 cos x by 4. 2 cos x cos y is equal to cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. Once more, 2 cos x cos y is equal to cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. Type 3, problems using standard forms. These three types of questions are very important. Next very important topic is Leibniz theorem on nth derivatives. Leibniz formula. nth derivative of uv is equal to u and v plus, that is nth derivative of u into v plus nc1 into u n minus 1 into v1 plus nc2 into u n minus 2 into v2 plus etc plus ncn into uvn, where un is equal to nth derivative of u and vn is equal to nth derivative of v. Once more the equation, nth derivative of u into v is equal to u and v plus nc1 into u n minus 1 into v1 plus nc2 into u n minus 2 into v2 plus etc plus ncn into uvn. Curvature. Next important topic is curvature. Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature rho is equal to rho or sigma, however you called it. Rho is equal to 1 plus dx by dy the whole square, the whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by d square x by dy square. If the curve is very nearly a straight line, then rho is equal to 1 by d square y by dx square. Curvature of a circle. Curvature at a point P is equal to d psi by ds is equal to limit delta s tends to 0, delta psi by delta s is equal to 1 by r. Circle of curvature x bar is equal to x minus y dash into 1 plus y dash the whole square divided by y double dash. Y double dash means second derivative of y. Y bar is equal to y plus 1 plus y dash the whole square divided by y factorial. Evaluates x bar is equal to x minus y1 by y2 into 1 plus y1 square. Y bar is equal to y plus 1 by y2 into 1 plus y bar square. Please like, comment, subscribe.